Welcome back to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about charity, and she's saying that there's been some changes where charity is concerned. And as of this month, all charities have to be registered to operate. Now, she's saying that there's different levels to charity, and that, basically most of these people that are doing charity, they, have been getting their own money, on the side, basically. She's also saying that she doesn't know exactly what can happen to the landlord, Erica, in this case, since there's been money that is coming into her, um, that people are bringing up and saying that, wasn't used for the homeless. So she's saying that she doesn't know what can happen to her in the court of law, but she's saying that it could be anything. But she's saying that charity basically is a lot around charity, and it's a lot of different things to charity. So go catch the video and see what she has to say about this as she speaks about Miss D, um, the landlord, and charity on a whole. We'll catch the video, guys. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. And as always, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Thing that can say Erica did something wicked or something bad is just the fact between she and the other girl, and the heap of money will go back and forth. But we know say them are all criminal, we know that. But in the court of law, me don't know what they can do to Erica. I don't know. I tell them there's many parts of a charity, many parts. Some of them you can even question them. Many parts. Different part of charity. You see me come on and me tell them about that charity, and then go along with themselves, and they want beat with. They want come round and tell with this and come round and tell with that. But the facts still remain. All of them they thief money, all of them they get money, all of them they benefit from it, every single one of them. Me sip on people's platform. Me have me nice little class this morning laugh at me. And when me look, people have it all over. And them start to do this and them start to do that and then start to do everything in the book. It's a nice little class over here. I see everybody take away a little part of my class. Yes. But they're afraid to just acknowledge that, you were right, Miss Maxine. You were right. You know what you're saying? So I really hope that they will go and do their research. Me telling you say, as of September, charity completely changed. Completely. Hi Elaine, how are you, my darling? Me say charity completely changed as of September. Me telling you say come in February. Oh, we in a February backside. Me forgot to be in a February, no excuse me. Oh, have mercy, me head they go. Me have to catch back my head. Me telling you say as of this month, every single one of you, what they do any form of charity at all, have to be registered. Have to. If I clean you, they go clean up the people them, bathe them, cut their hair, do all of that, you don't have to register. Get on the right papers. Yeah? If a money you know I collect and do what you know I do, I have to register. I don't care if you no change on charity name one way have before or one you want to do. Have to register. And yes, you can have Zelle and Cash App coming through your business. Yes, you can have Zelle and Cash App in your charity. You can. By law, you can. But whoever that Zelle and Cash App is coming into have to be either your accountant, your secretary, or you yourself who own the charity. Nobody else. So yes, you can use Zelle and Cash App. You can. On top of your account that you're going to have. You understand? You can. Oh, give me my ear. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi, everyone who is just coming in. Thank you for joining me. What else may I have to tell you again when it comes to the charity thing? These people are so dense that they would not be evil. Those people, the professors, the lawyers, the you know them, cause Lorena, Michelle and in crew, Manvi and all of them, Ladana and the whole of them, think they know it so much about charities and stuff like that. You don't know nothing. Not all. No need to go do no research. Go do no research and you can start from Companies Office of Jamaica. You can start right there, so. Anything else you want to know, trust and believe when we find it. Just start from right there, so. Me tell you, say a whole heap of different part of the charity. Whole heap of different part, and not just one part. And not just clothes and boot, feed, money. No, whole heap. All care them can give you all that same thing there. Land, property, luxury this, luxury that. Oh yes, a whole heap of different part of charity there. And not one part. But these narrow-minded people like Lorraine and him people them, and the one over this so, and the one over this so, and the one over this so, where the two retarded one they pan and same thing there. Wanna know nothing at all. Jesus Christ. If I ever see a set of people wanna know nothing at all, you know. And then get up every day and they chat. And then call in and then chat and then chat and then chat and then chat. You just go your bed and wake up and then still a chat. And not all what them chatting not make no sense. Not one thing what them chatting not making no sense. But yet for all them chat and then go on with themselves. And then they pan one thing. And as me said, they head they up so far that they don't even know what they do. And then come out and then chat. And then go on. This morning was a very nice class this morning. Because I see result in social media. Oh yes, I see result. And that doesn't mean I'm giving Aina any form of excuse to come out with. But if she shut her mouth, it better for her. Because whatever she do, I know she and the donors them in no problem. So me don't even know why she's even like coming out making all these excuses and make herself look so bad. She's already looking bad already. So me don't know why she come out and think she should. Guys, me don't know what happened to me. I don't know what is happening to me. But something serious is happening. Yeah man, something serious that happened. My life is not the same. It's not. It's like literally not the same. I don't know if anybody understands what I'm saying. Thank you, my darling. All day, thank you so much. Young, thank you. And I already had said hi to Elaine. Thank you, guys. At least you come on and said hi. You have over 50 people so long they watch you, and not one of them can say hi to you. It's like ridiculous. They're not even putting their thumbs up on the thing. They just come here and sit down, and when they go in, they go tell all sort of lie for you. Let me see them. Then go chat what you say from what you not say. Yes, then go chat what you say and what you not say. I see there's a lot of stuff that I have already said. I see people with it, which is very nice. There's so many people sending me friend requests. I'm not really accepting any friend requests right now. If I don't really know anyone, I'm not accepting it. So you can just easily follow. You can easily follow, guys. So my birthday is coming up soon. Anybody can tell me what they think I should do for my birthday? My 60th birthday is coming up. Yes, they don't. And I know that a lot of them watch me, all day. Me, I see them. I saw them. They come over here and they take note. And when they take note, then go up on them platform and then do like say, oh, I'm going to come up with this brilliant idea. This very brilliant idea. And they go and they do this and they do that. But that's okay. Yours too. When is yours? Mine is the 10th. Let me see all the Aquarians that are on here. Let me see all the Aquarians, all the good people, them. The best month of the year. Aquarian people. Let me see a thumbs up for all the Aquarians. Every single Aquarian. Let me see a thumbs up for you. Yours is the 20. As a matter of fact, let me see all the February born people, them. All the February born people, them. Yes. Oh my God, we have to struggle to survive. We have to fight to keep alive. It's not pretty at all. We not just get our blessing. We have to work hard for it. We have to struggle for it. We have to fight for it. And when you look, some people just take it from yourself. But God not sleeping, God not sleeping. I don't know what I'm going to do for my birthday. I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm just going to play it by ear. I might not be able to celebrate my birthday this year on the day, but I know by the end of the month I should be able to do something so you all could see. I really, really do think I should. I feel like I'm having the flu. No matter what me take, and I only hope it's not COVID again. I'm tired of COVID. COVID, go away and leave me alone. I'm tired of COVID. Oh my God, I caught COVID 6 times already. I don't want to catch it anymore. My body's not built for this. It's not built for this. I said, I'm so happy that I can see so many people watching me. Me know they watch me, Me know they watch me. Because when they go on them platform, they talk a little bit what me say. And people recalling and said this and said that. I know you guys are watching me. I know you are, but you are such hypocrites. You can't even give me credit where credit is due. Some of them, when they go chat me, they say, oh, somebody will said this or somebody will said that. Just call me damn name. Just call me name. 1 minute uno cuss me. I say, a lot of my friends have the flu. I am staying away. You stayed far? No fight time, you no cuss me and no tell me, oh, me no have shit in my backside. And me no have this and me no have that. Material things you no take and cuss me. And all of a sudden, I was listening to Chris live. Yeah, somebody said, Maxine, you're the hypocrite over there. They talk about how he go live in life and he go this and he no care about material things and he wish if he did never. Lord Jesus, we make no hypocritical and stay so. You no cuss me or me no and nothing. You no cuss me or me squander my life. You no cuss me or me stagnant. You no cuss me or me whole and broke and all sort of sin thing. But yet for all, you no wish. You no wish. Like really? Me tell you, say you know are young people, because I'm supposed to be older than a lot of you guys. Me say a young people work on no money, enjoy on yourself. Don't even spend out no money on no picnic them. Me I tell you that. Give them what them supposed to get. Don't go overboard with them. Because the more you go overboard with them, trust and believe me, I tell you say these kids are ungrateful. They ungrateful. No care the gold spoon where you give them. No care what the gold spoon. Good night, Martin. No care what the gold spoon want to give them. Trust and believe the picnic them what they born nowadays. Them are your picnic. Because all of them are picnic like what in a Lorraine age group, Ashanti age group, them the kind of age group, them picnic are in their 40s or so. They ungrateful. They don't remember what their mama them do for them or them papa. They don't remember. Yes. Yes, Edward. I caught his live. Let me just listen to it for a minute. And me come off and me say, isn't that the same person who said they have them purse? Who said they have this? Who said they have that? What happened to everything now? What happened to everything? And me tell you now. Yes, Edward. Me tell you now. Me say you know young people who no have no picnic yet. Who no have to have none. Who no nah miss nothing. You don't have to have none, and if you don't feel like you don't want to go a picnic, go adapt. There's a lot of homes that there is kids there that need help. Go adapt a child. You not having no kid. Me cuss Michelle every day and tell him say, me a 71, you know, and no picnic and then sitting there, no. But me and Michelle no picnic business are personal because Michelle come off for everybody picnics, including for me them. Michelle come off for me, so for me and Michelle no picnic business are personal. But if you don't have no kids, believe, trust and believe you're not missing anything. Because them are your picnic what they born, you know. They ungrateful, they ungrateful, they ungrateful no matter what you give them. You cannot give them the world 9 times.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.